Toe? Psychological talk? What's this word? I've never heard it before.
Tough.
Tough? Is this how you spell tough? Psychologically tough. Dude, is that how you spell tough?
Tough.
I thought tough was spelled like this. Tough and tough are homophones, meaning they sound the same but have different meanings. Dude, how do you Google something to see what the definition is and then it uses a word that I don't know either? What's a homophone? Well, it answered it in the sentence, but that's crazy stuff, dude. The acceleration of learning here, it's crazy. It's crazy. Are you coming back tomorrow? Because we'll be back tomorrow. I know it's Saturday, but please come back tomorrow because tomorrow's going to be heat. Tough describes something as strong, resilient, or difficult. Hmm. Tough, on the other hand, refers to a type of rock formed from compressed. What? I thought it meant hard, bro. Wait. Difficult. Yeah, tough. Tough. Okay, I'm just slow. That's it. I just been spelling tough wrong this whole time. Scalability and liquidity becomes an issue once equity is over 30 to 50 million on a daily basis. You'd need position size caps or fractional allocation. Concrete next moves. Step A, trend gate. Skip trades if close is under 200 SMA. Should erase the 4 losing slices. One liner filter inside next or wrapper that sets position size to 0. Volatility risk targeting. Fix per trade risk, say 0.5% of equity, caps runaway equity growth, and limits drawdowns. Position size, liquidity cap, permutation test, trade bootstrap, fee slippage shock. Send me back the code for the 200 SMA filter on this exact same code. I want to see, I want to compare them. Yeah, I want to compare the two, and then we can do a comparison. Copy this code over here and say compound SMA 200. Oh, snap. But first, I want to go ahead and ask this or answer this question here because I did ask something in between. Please go ahead and explain why we did or why how.
Talent you have naturally. Skill is only developed by hours and hours and hours of beating on your craft.
Oh god, dude, my prompts are so gross. Please go ahead and explain how we did or why how and why we did the compounded versus the non-compounded walk forward and what the differences are. Forward variant, flat start walk forward, non-compounded. What we did began every 6-month trade with a fresh 1 million bankroll. Optimize the previous 3-year window, trade the next 6 months, then reset capital to 1M and repeat. What questions and answers? Is this strategy profitable and stable independently of past gains? I.e., each slice is a self-contained live test. Hitting caveats, grows and draws down in percentage space. So overall return divided by drawdown becomes meaningless. Equity chart has vertical cliffs. Looks like a negative 96% drawdown. Compound walk forward. Same rolling windows and parameter search, but the ending equity of slice n becomes the starting equity of slice n plus 1. True compounding. If I actually reinvest my gains, how fast and how painfully does money grow? Real world P&L trajectory, liquidity permitting. Hitting caveats, later slices trade much larger nominal positions, so results assume you can execute tens of millions without slippage. Risk metrics now reflect real drawdowns, no slice independence. What each view told us: flat start view, slice level sharp equals about 1 across 8 years. Core edge survives regime changes. 4 losing windows pop out instantly. Late 2018, 2021 Q1, 2022 bear, and post FTX, good for diagnosing when the logic fails. Outliers don't distort risk numbers because every slice is capped at 1M. Compounded view turns the same 1M to a B. CAGR of 190%. True max drawdown is negative 52. Not negatives 96. Calmar equals 3.6. Profitable relative to pain. When to use which. Use case. Debugging parameter stability, detecting optimizer over fit, flat start. Stress testing strategy logic under different market regimes, flat start. Sizing expectation, compounded wealth path, investor pitch deck, compounded.